temperatures can cause pavement to soften and expand, creating rutting and potholes that in turn can cause tire damage, vehicle alignment problems, and more. So where do you start to ensure your truck is on the up and up as the temperatures start to rise? First, check your engine's cooling system, as it can be the costliest expense if it fails. Research has shown that an estimated 40% of preventative engine problems are associated with the cooling system. The items you need to inspect are your radiator's core hose, lines, and clamps, your radiator's thermostat, the cooling fan for nicks or cracks, all of your belts for wear and tear, and your heater, its core hose, lines, and clamps. Also check your water pumps if there are any leaks and make sure your cooling system is full. More than 50% of all catastrophic engine failures are due to coolant leaks, according to industry estimates. So of course, the next step would be to check your antifreeze coolant. Regardless of the color, all antifreeze coolants should have one thing in common: they should be clear. Coolant that appears cloudy or has floating particles could be an indication of a bigger problem. The best practice is to perform an engine antifreeze coolant analysis to determine its condition and its additive concentrations. This inspection should also identify other vehicle problems that could show up in the cooling system. And finally, check your rig's battery and tire pressure. Extreme heat can be hard on batteries and lead to battery degradation, which could result in loss of capacity. Be sure to check for any cracks or leaks in your battery and make sure it's firmly in place. For tires, the air in them expands when the weather heats up and contracts when the weather cools down. Tire professionals advise against bleeding air from a hot tire to relieve normal pressure buildup. Bleeding air pressure will result in underinflation because as the tire cools at the end of the day, inflation pressure drops. Be sure to inspect tires every 2 hours or every 100 miles when driving in very hot weather. There are many ways to beat the heat when it comes to your rig, but following these steps will ensure that you're ready to hit the road when the temps go up.